following the series of lessons on COVID. So I just had a conversation with a friend of mine. Marco lives in Miami, executive in a company which for about now 3 months is not working. And imagine Marco is the kind of person, he has a family, works a lot, and was always complaining about the fact that he didn't have time for the family to have fun, to enjoy life. So yeah, now that he's calling me and he's telling me that yeah, there's so much time on his hands, and I'm like, wow, awesome, the opportunity for you to finally enjoy life. And his answer was like, no, because at the moment I'm not earning money, so I had to downscale my lifestyle, and so I cannot enjoy life. And I was really like, eh? I was like, come on, you were always complaining you didn't have time. Now you have time. Okay, you have to downscale your life, but still, you know that at some point you're gonna get a job, and you just had to downscale it. It's not like you lost it all. And he was like, no, 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 no. There's no way. There's no way. So I asked him, so when you start working again, is that when you start enjoying life? Silence. Say because you won't have time. You'll have the money, but you won't have time. So at the end of the day, he laughed and he said, you know what? I think I'm just a very negative person, and I might have to think a little bit more about what you're saying. People, what I want to tell you, any situation can be an opportunity to grow, to change things, to make them better, or just think that this is hell and there's nothing I can do. So, do you want to grow or do you want to stay in hell? See you soon.